Did you know that there is an all-natural thing you can add to your soil to protect your plants from disease and pests? No, it's not expensive. It's not chemical, and you probably already have it in your kitchen. Today I'm going to reveal a little secret trick that will help your plants be healthier, stronger, and more resilient. Stay with me until the end, because you will find out the recipe at the very end of the video. Subscribe to our channel and click like. It won't cost you anything, and means a lot to us. Thank you for that. We all want our plants to be greener, stronger, and to give an abundant harvest. But no matter how hard we try, sometimes we are surprised by diseases, fungi, rot, or annoying pests that attack the roots, leaves, and fruits. Instead of using chemicals that destroy the soil and disturb the natural balance, there is a simpler, safer, and completely natural solution. Just 1 spoonful of this powerful ingredient is enough to strengthen the plant's immunity, prevent the development of fungi and rot, drive away many types of pests, and encourage faster growth and flowering. What's best, the plants will look healthier, greener, and will be much more resistant to drought, high temperatures, and insect attacks. And you won't spend almost anything. You definitely have the ingredient at home. And now, as I promised, we reveal the secret. It's about turmeric. Yes, the same yellow powder we use in the kitchen. All you need to do is add 1 tablespoon of turmeric to the soil around the plant and dig it in lightly. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic. It protects the root, prevents rotting, repels many pests, and strengthens the plant from the inside. Try this trick and let me know in the comments what the results are in your garden. If you like these natural tips, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so they too can learn about this simple yet powerful recipe. Your plants will thank you.